Morning, friends. I'm Garrison from TruckMax. I'm located right now at the Homestead location. I would like to invite you to take a look to our landscape inventory. You gotta take a look at this. We have amazing prices, and honestly, you gotta come here. And I'm sure you don't want to miss the deals that we have running right now in this event. All this truck right here, okay? We put amazing pricing on them. Take a look at this. It's a wide inventory ready to go. For landscape trucks, I have a bunch of them. Come visit us.